22nd May, we are on the trip of various sub-concepts of topic biodiversity in order to derive sustainable benefits for present and future generation.
Good morning everyone. I am Sukoon from class 10th A. My topic is biological diversity. What does bio mean? Bio means life. What does diversity mean? Diversity means variety. The term biodiversity was first coined by the entomologist E.O. Wilson in 1986. Biodiversity is the heritage of millions of years of evolution. Diversity is a basic property of life. The striking feature of Earth is the existence of life, and the striking feature of life is its diversity. What do we get from biodiversity? Oxygen, food, clean water, medicine, aesthetics, and ideas. Do you know what is the theme of Biodiversity 2021? Biodiversity Day 2021 is being celebrated under the slogan "We are part of the solution #4nature." We are part of the solution #4nature. From nature-based solutions to climate, health issues, food and water security, and sustainable livelihoods, biodiversity is the foundation upon which we can build back better.
Hello everyone, my name is Bhumi of class 9th B. My topic is biodiversity. Do you know what is biodiversity? Let me help you. Biodiversity is a term used to describe the enormous variety of life on Earth. Biodiversity refers to every living thing, including plants, like our national flower, lotus. Lotus count as a very beautiful flower. Biodiversity also includes birds, like our national bird peacock. It also includes animals. Do you have any idea that our national animal, tiger, plays a vital link in maintaining the rich biodiversity of nature? Bacteria is also a family of biodiversity. And we, human beings, also include in this. Biodiversity used more specifically to refer to all of the species in one region of ecosystem.
I, Sukhman Kaur of 9th B, is going to give you important information about wildlife sanctuaries. What are wildlife sanctuaries? A wildlife sanctuary is an area where animal habitats and their surroundings are protected from any sort of disturbance. The capturing, killing, and poaching of animals is strictly prohibited in these regions. They aim at providing a comfortable living to the animals. Some famous wildlife sanctuaries in India are the Chingam National Park in Srinagar. Important animals found here are Kashmiri stag, musk deer, snow leopard, black bear, etc. And the next one is Periyar National Park in Kerala. Animals preserved here are elephants, leopard, sambar, bison, and black langur. Chilka Lake Bird Sanctuary in Odisha. Birds like waterfalls, ducks, cranes, and flamingos are found here. And the next one is Sultanpur National Park in Gurugram. Animals found here are ducks, saras, wild bear, crocodiles, and python. And the next is Nagarjun Sagar Sanctuary in Andhra Pradesh. Animals found here are tiger, panther, cheetal, nilgai, fox, jackal, and wolf, etc.
Hello everyone, I am Arvind of 9th A. Our topic is biological diversity. The passenger pigeon, the golden toad, the Caspian tiger, they are all gone and other species hang by a thread. Our actions are not merely driving other species to extinction. We threaten our own survival too by establishing ecosystem and destroying biodiversity. Thank you and have a fabulous day.
Biodiversity in animals. Similar to the plants, the biodiversity of animals is vast, and there are several animal species which have been trained, domesticated, and used for the food production for the agriculture and are primary biological capital for livestock development. This plays a vital role in food safety and also in maintaining rural development. Yet, its management has been terrible. There have been a lot of animals that have gone extinct over the past few years, and this is a matter of great sorrow. Therefore, the conservation of biodiversity of both plants and animals is the need of the hour.
Hello everyone, myself Lakshya Arora of Dyal Singh Public School Karnal, and today I am going to tell you about biodiversity. So the first question will arise in your mind that what is biodiversity? Biodiversity is the biological variety and variability of life on earth. Biodiversity is a measure of variation at the genetic, species and ecosystem level. Terrestrial biodiversity is usually near the equator, which is the result of the warm climate and high primary productivity. Biodiversity is the shortened form of biological and diversity. In simple terms, biodiversity is the number and variety of organisms found within a specified geographical region. Biodiversity also refers to the communities that animals, plants, fungi, and microorganisms form and the habitats in which they live.
Hello everyone, this is Khushi from class 10th, and today we are going to discuss about India's most popular animals. India has a rich wildlife. The diversity of Indian wildlife is not secondary to its African counterpart, perhaps superior in many ways. No wonder it is among the 17 mega-diverse countries which has about 60 to 70% of biodiversity on the planet. So, India's most popular animals are Bengal tiger, Indian elephant, Indian rhinoceros, Asiatic lion,
Indian leopards, sloth bear, wild water buffalo, black buck, and many more.
India is home to 104 national parks and 553 wildlife sanctuaries. It is rich with nature. Its deserts, wetlands, forests, and coasts give shelter to about 8% of world species, and new ones are found every year. Although the exclusive cats and majestic elephants are the postcards of wildlife in India, there are many other creatures that inspire, like the great Indian bustard and Barasingha.
Bhavna of class 10th C is going to tell me about extinct plants. What are extinct plants? The plants which are no longer exist on the earth are known as extinct plants. Extinction of a particular plant occurs when there are no more individuals of that plant alive anywhere in the world. For example, Cooksonia, Irelinia, Sulfium, St. Helena olive and Sigillaria. What are the causes of extinction of plants? Habitat loss, global warming, exotic plants in production, and overexploitation are the causes of extinction of plants. How to protect them? We should follow these measures to protect them by planting more and more trees, by educating the people about the importance of plants and animals in maintaining ecosystem and biodiversity, by protecting their permanent habitats in national park. The government should make stricter laws for the forest conservation.
I am Sia of class 10C gonna tell you about what are extinct animals. There is no longer a certain kind of animals living anywhere in the world. Those animals are said to be extinct animals. The most common source of extinction is a change in a species' habitat. A habitat is a surrounding in which an animal lives. Their food supply may be wiped out. They may also lose their shelters. People can cause extinction more directly as well. dinosaurs are the example of extinct animals. Dodo bird is the most famous flightless bird that became extinct shortly after it was discovered. Passenger pigeon or wild pigeon is an extinct species of pigeon that was endemic to North America.
Extinct plants. There was a time when Earth was full of plants and greenery, and the Earth was known as the green planet. Plants have done everything for us, from adding to the beauty of nature, contributing to the biological evolution, and playing a prominent role in the life cycle of living beings on Earth. Ironically, in today's time, half of the plant's population is killed due to human acts and other climatic conditions. And then they become extinct. But what does the word extinct plant mean? Let's see. Meaning of extinct plants. Extinction of a particular plant species occur when there is no more individual of that species alive anywhere in the world. The species has died out. This is a natural part of evolution. But sometimes extinctions happen at a much faster rate. Then let's see some examples of extinct plants like Cooksonia, Lepidodendron, Rhinia, Silphium, and Franklinia. The main reasons for plant extinction in both groups of regions are agriculture and urbanization. In hotspot regions, one more threat caused plant extinction were biological invasions of plants and animals, penetrated to new habitats and often caused harm to local flora and fauna. And global warming is the biggest cause of this. But how to protect plants from extinction? Don't destroy habitat. Protecting habitat saves entire communities of animals and plants. Government should make strict rules for forest conservation, and we should protect the extinct plants in national parks.